Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome an exhaust pipe. Achieving a brilliant, long-lasting chrome finish requires careful attention to detail throughout the electroplating process. We'll cover everything from preparing your exhaust pipe to the final buffing. Remember, safety is paramount when working with the necessary chemicals and electrical currents, so always wear appropriate protective gear and ensure good ventilation. The foundation of a perfect chrome finish is meticulous surface preparation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your exhaust pipe to eliminate all contaminants. Next, sand the surface, gradually moving from coarser grits, such as 220, to finer ones like 800 to remove imperfections. Finally, polish the pipe to a brilliant, mirror-like shine. This step is absolutely critical for the chrome's final appearance. Now for the electroplating itself. First, the prepared pipe is immersed in a nickel plating solution, ideally maintained at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. An electrical current, usually between 5 and 7 volts, is then applied for approximately 1 hour to deposit a robust nickel layer. This nickel acts as a protective base. Afterward, the pipe is rinsed and then submerged in a chrome solution for a shorter period, typically 3 to 15 minutes, to apply the final, thin, bright chrome layer. Once plated, the exhaust pipe requires careful finishing. Thoroughly rinse the pipe to remove all traces of plating chemicals, preventing future corrosion. Next, buff the chrome to maximize its brilliant shine and smooth out any tiny surface irregularities. For long-term maintenance, regularly clean your chromed exhaust with non-abrasive products. This simple care routine will help preserve its stunning, mirror-like finish for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.